crazy. YouTube has already changed my life, even with less than 500 subscribers. But making car content and even just starting YouTube has changed my life in many ways that I didn't expect it. You know, there's a lot of positives. I wouldn't really say a lot of downsides, because in life it's all about learning lessons, learning curves. So here's a few things why I think YouTube changed my life in many different ways. So the first time I hit record with a camera, back in the day when I was younger, I had a 2014 BMW 328. I love to show it off. I love to show the progress that I was making with the car, the mods I was doing with the car, you know, stuff like that. I didn't take it too serious. I was just doing it just to post videos, just to kind of look back and reflect on what I did to the car, basically. Right? Every little mod that I did to the car, if I brought it to the garage, I would literally just click record a few clips of me, you know, helping out, doing the mods, whatever the case is. If I just felt like it was something good to do, it was pretty entertaining for not only whoever was watching it, if it was, but it was also entertaining for myself as well. You know, I got to look back on the video and I'm like, oh man, that's what I did to the car. But yeah, now that I have this car, my 2022 X3 M40i, it has made me take back up the camera. I feel like I definitely want to document everything that I'm doing to the car, post it on YouTube. Once again, not only just to try and build subscribers or build an audience, but also to document my journey and what I'm doing to the car. Maybe later in the future I can always look back, show my kids, whatever the case is, you know. There's a lot of positives in starting YouTube as well. It's not only just about building your car to post it for views or comments or whatever the case is. But you meet a lot of people in the car community, so you make connections with people. YouTube teaches you how to be patient, because as a new YouTuber, you're not going to see 1 million views, you're not going to see 10,000 views on your first video. It might happen, not saying it can't, it hasn't happened to me. It's not a big deal, because it teaches me patience. Not only that, it's making me get to learn about editing. I'm learning how to edit now, from my first video that I posted till even this one. You know, it has definitely taught me a lot about editing, color grading, all that different stuff. But the main factor, I'm learning about my car. I'm learning all the little details about my car. I'm learning all the modifications I can add on to the car to make it fit my standard, what I like. So that's the best thing about doing this journey of YouTube. And don't get me wrong, guys, even though there is positives to it, you know, it teaches you patience, it makes you make connections, all that stuff. It is hard. It really is hard, and it is challenging. You know, there's many times you're trying to figure out how to do an edit. You don't even know what to do, but that's where people with more knowledge comes into play. You know, you go and search up on other YouTube channels. That helps other YouTubers as well. And apart from just the editing, you know, realistically, it sucks. It does hurt when you put all this time and effort into a video. You're still learning the editing, but you're putting in the time and you don't even get 500 views. A lot of my videos don't have 500 views, right? What really boosted me, if I'm being honest, my second video got like 7,000 views. I had a lot of likes, I had a lot of comments on it. That gave me the boost to continue. But once again, guys, this YouTube channel, it's not to grow overnight. It's supposed to be a journey, documenting my journey, growing my car, building it, putting on modifications. Also going to do reviews on other people's car. So stay tuned for that, because we got a couple people lined up. I'm gonna do some reviews on their cars, and I think that's gonna be fire, to be honest. A lot of crazy car enthusiasts out there. So stay tuned for that. If you're thinking about starting YouTube, give it a shot. Don't let anybody hold you back. Don't think about what anyone's gonna think of you, how you look on the camera, how your editing skills are. Don't care about any of that. Turn on your camera, hit record button, and just start. Don't wait for the perfect time, because there is no perfect time. I see a lot of people out there, their channel is huge and they're recording off of a phone, their iPhone, their Samsung, whatever the case is. There's no perfect time. You don't need any special equipment. even though, you know, good quality stuff does help a lot. But again, don't wait for the perfect time to start. So if you want to follow my journey on my X3 M40i, or even if you're just into car content overall, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it, tell a friend, your sister, your auntie, uncle. You know, let's support each other. Let's jump on a journey together, follow through with our plan, and keep the ball rolling. So yeah guys, my channel isn't huge yet. I don't have crazy numbers, I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet. But honestly, that's not why exactly I started YouTube. It is a factor though. YouTube already made me more patient, creative. It's giving me a whole new way to enjoy cars, or even just my car in general. So once again, if you're thinking about starting your own channel, don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. Even if the views are small at first, enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey of editing. You'll actually be surprised at how much it changes you. Discipline, patience, all that stuff, you will definitely notice it. So once again, if you want to follow my journey with the X3 M40i, the build, car shows, highs and lows of this channel, reviews of other car enthusiast cars, stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on post notice, all that good stuff. Peace.